Nowadays, to become an automation test engineer is also very difficult because you have to learn various technologies. So I will explain what are those technologies in this video, and also I am going to explain what are the education qualifications required to become an automation test engineer and what are the main topics you have to focus to crack automation testing interviews. Without wasting our time, let us start the main topic. In the earlier days, to become an automation test engineer, it is very easy because if you know only one technology, that to theoretical knowledge, that is enough to get software testing job. This was happening in the 5 years ago or 6 years ago. But nowadays, to become an automation test engineer and to crack automation testing interview also, so it becomes very difficult for all candidates. Okay, and one more key point I have noticed in these days, to shortlist automation testing profiles very difficult nowadays. So it might be various factors, you are not going to shortlist your automation testing profile. So anyhow, I will upload a separate video related to this topic in the upcoming videos. Now let's talk about what is the education qualifications required to become an automation test engineer. If you are looking for as a fresher, then many IT companies or MNC companies only shortlist who are from computer science background candidate only. As a fresher, it is difficult to get automation testing job from non-IT candidate. Suppose if you are an experienced candidate, okay, then qualification is not a matter, guys. Minimum graduation completion is required. So if you are from BCom, BCA, BSc or BTech or MCA or MTech, any qualification is eligible. Now let's talk about what are the technical skills are required to become an automation test engineer. The first one, you should have strong understanding of software testing principles and basic concepts of software testing. That means what is software testing, what is the need of software testing in IT industry, and what is the use of software testing, and what are the principles of software testing, how many types of testings are there. You should have strong knowledge on software testing and quality assurance principles. You can learn all these things if you learn manual testing concepts. Even if you become an automation test engineer, so you should know manual testing concepts. It is added advantage if you know manual testing concept. And second one is you should be strong in any one programming language, because to become an automation testing engineer, coding is required, guys. You have to write the code to automate any web browser or any website. You have to write the test scripts using any one programming language such as Java, Python or C#. Highly recommended programming language, Java or Python. And third one is you should have basic knowledge on database skills as well, like SQL query language as well. So nowadays some companies used to ask some basic knowledge of SQL queries as well. And fourth one is CI/CD tool, that means Jenkins. So you must have sound knowledge on Jenkins as well, because for automation test engineer you have to schedule some test cases as well to execute your bundle of the test cases, and you have to execute on specific time, okay, by using Jenkins. And next skills, you should have knowledge on Agile methodology as well, because nowadays every company is following Agile methodology, that is nothing but Agile methodology only. So therefore you have to know Agile concepts as well. And next one is you have to learn any one automation tool as well. A highly recommended automation tool, that is nothing but Selenium. So nowadays many of the IT companies are expecting these skills only, Selenium skills only. So you have to learn Selenium automation tool, and you have to learn this automation tool with practical knowledge. Okay, so these are the primary skills to become an automation test engineer. Nowadays the companies are expecting from automation test engineer various skills, that means multiple skills. Okay, so you have to know, so along with the web-based testing skills, you have to know mobile testing experience as well. Many of the companies are expecting mobile testing experience also. Therefore you have to learn any one mobile testing related tool as well. A highly recommended one, Appium. So it is good to have knowledge on Appium tool as well. Next one is you should have basic knowledge on cloud computing concepts as well. Okay, it is good to have any AWS or Azure or GCP. Basic knowledge is required. So along with these technical skills, you should have soft skills as well, like problem solving skills. Any candidate who have been working in the software industry, those people should have problem solving skills. So to become an expert on specific tech role and a quick learner as well. And one more soft skills must require collaboration work. So after completion of all these technical skills, so try to complete any one project, guys. So if you do any one project, then you definitely crack any interview. So this is the only way to crack software testing interview nowadays. So if you complete any one mini project with your own hands, then you will aware of many things. So during implementation of your project, what type of challenges you have faced, which concept you have to use in which place, you can understand A to Z concepts by implementing on single project. So therefore, highly recommended. So if you are trying as an experienced candidate, then try to complete one mini project with your own hands. After that, then you can upload your resume and apply for many jobs, and you can crack the interviews as well. So you might be rejected in couple of interviews, but you definitely get IT job in the fourth or fifth interview. Okay, so be confident during the interview and prepare for short answer for every query whatever the interviewer used to ask. So that's all, guys. Mind, I hope this information is very helpful who want to become an automation test engineer. If you still have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. Okay, so if you really love this content, don't forget to share to your friends, and also don't forget hit the like button. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.